Change the stupid settings without kicking my camera. Okay, everything's recording. This is the hardest part of any video. Starting it. I got this. Hello everybody, welcome to my cooking show, Cooking with the Iceman. Tonight we're going to make some sweet pepper cheese enchiladas. These sweet peppers, they're just the regular sweet peppers you get in a bag at the grocery store that you can eat right out of the bag. Supposedly they're washed. I like to wash them. So today we're going to have some cheese, of course, for the enchiladas. And some vegetables. I already pre-cut them. 1 can of diced green chilies, drained. A little bit of a mixing bowl. And some green chili enchilada sauce. So first I'm going to take a handful of onions and put them in this little bowl here. Saving some for topping later. I'm going to take my can of green chilies and I'm going to put them in there. And give them a little stir. Set that off to the side. Get rid of this can. I'm a little bit more set up this time for this cooking video. I acquired some trays to set off to the side, so I don't have to have everything right in my face. So we are going to first set this stuff off to the side. And I have over here my skillet, and in here I have my tortillas warming. I'm gonna make 12. So I'm going to start off by making 6 of them. So I'm going to take and I'm going to coat my tortillas here. I use white corn tortillas with some sauce. Probably going to drip this all over, so I'll just carry the can. I don't eat meat. I quit eating meat about a year ago, just about when COVID started, maybe just a little past. But I started a diet, and this diet that I started was to lose weight and live healthier. And I bought a smartwatch, which told me that I was fat and lazy. I weighed 195 pounds, and I lost weight giving up meat and pop. Give up the pop. All about the pop. Got to get rid of the pop. So now I'm going to put some peppers on the tortillas. And what I did with these peppers is I sliced them long. Put some peppers on each one of these. Making sure I save enough peppers to go on my next 6. Then Then I'm going to take my my peppers here. I'm going to put some peppers and onions in here. You put as many as you like. Just remember, you gotta roll this thing up. Then you're going to take and you're going to put some cheese on them. I'm using mozzarella cheese. I use mozzarella cheese for almost everything because it's lower in calories. And take some sauce, put it in the bottom of your pan. Then you're going to roll these up. It's always good to roll with the grain. If you don't warm your tortillas, they will fall apart on you immediately. And for the next ones, it's okay if you run out. You could just use some onions in one of them. It makes up the difference. Before you start, obviously, I'm a little late to the game here mentioning this. You should preheat your oven to about 350. Yep, I've already preheated mine. Feel like I'm in high school again, rolling a bunch of doobies. Okay, so here you go. Get this out of the way. Here you have 12 sweet pepper stuffed mozzarella cheese stuffed enchiladas. And you're gonna pour your sauce over the top of it. You can use more sauce if you want. I find 1 can for 12 to be plenty. And I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it in my oven now. You get a close-up shot. And I'm going to bake these for 20 minutes. Then I'm going to add some cheese to the top. And then I'm going to bake it for 10 more minutes. Welcome back again. Now I'm going to pull these out real quick and I'm going to top them with cheese. Put it back in the oven and cook it for about 5 to 10 more minutes, and just at this point you just need to get the cheese all nice and melted. Welcome back. Enchiladas are cooked. And here you go. You have some cheesy sweet pepper onion enchiladas. They're gonna be A-okay in my book. I'm gonna serve these tonight with some black beans and brown rice. One of my kids is in the Dells with their friends, so it's just me, my wife, and 2 kids. Oh, look at all that cheesy goodness. Don't ever touch your pan trying to get these out. It will be hot. Like they say at the Mexican restaurants. This plate is hot. Cheese gets everywhere. Now I'm going to top these with a little bit of pico. Enchiladas, meatless. It's gonna be great. Thank you for watching my show. Please click a like, and if you like my video, please subscribe, so I know I should keep these videos coming. And yeah, leave a comment if you make it and try it, or if you want to just leave a comment. Let me know how you think of my videos so far. This is going to be my second good video. I am making other videos for the hotel series kind of thing. That's based off of me living on the road a couple nights a week. Living in a hotel, eating real food, not fast food. So anyways, if you enjoyed this video, found it useful, helpful, idealish, or anything, leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good night.